Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something a little special. I'm about to take you on a flavor journey that starts with a craving I had last week. Coconut milk chicken curry. This dish is everything you want in a curry, rich, creamy and with just the right balance of spice. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. First things first, let's get our pan nice and hot and add a tablespoon of oil and curry leaves. Now add chopped onions. We are gonna saute this until they are golden and soft. Don't rush this part. The caramelized onions are going to add so much depth of flavor to our curry. Next in goes the green chili, ginger and garlic. After a minute, now we are adding tomato paste, salt and turmeric powder. After a few minutes cooked, you can add chicken pieces. Now it's time to add some spices such as coriander powder, garam masala, chili powder and black pepper. This is where all the magic happens. Give everything a good toss so the chicken gets coated in all those gorgeous spices. Now for the creaminess we have all been waiting for, coconut milk. Go ahead and pour that in and just look at the texture. It's like a velvety sauce waiting to happen. Now let this simmer on medium heat for about 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked and the sauce has thickened up nicely. The coconut milk is going to make this curry super smooth and rich. Look at that. This curry is looking incredible. I'm just going to top it off with some fresh coriander leaves. If you're loving this recipe, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, subscribe and turn on my weekly recipes.